manje esakona into masemtebala ngasakona ngasemtebala aba mshoko ama uyivula umthetho kulaleni izwa yakasangene izulu uyaphila abafundi njengoba ngimi lapha nje umongameli wamabheki umhlaba wonke ngibuya ngisho phesheya kweyilwandle what's up man? Are you good man? Oh, that's great. Ukubalulekile ukuthi njengoba ngiyilana nje angifuni-ke phakathi kwenu kodwa uma ngibona ngenza izinto noma ngikhuluma ngenzalo athi ayikho into eyikhuluma umuntu akazaye e-university university and I'm standing in front of you and I'm lecturing you I'm giving you information I am in charge sakhala manje the purpose for all of us to engage in this important time. Njengoba umongameli wamabhinca ngiyathobe kakhulu umongameli esibethuliwe ngithobeke nakunina abafundi ngithobeke kakhulu nakukhanda kakhulu nawusigqemeza oyena obegqugquzela ihlela zonke izinto kanye negezana media nabahlanganise nabo cela nibekezele ukhulu ihlombe kwakahlomana usanelele akaqali unyakazise nje ama-campuses ahlukahlukene into yakhe endala ukhula nawo njalo nomfundi othi umfundi lowo mpunga ekhanda ukhaliwe lo mfundi ayimfundi impumelelo ushayiswa impumelelo noma udilewe impumelelo I don't understand kodwa umfundi siyabonga okwamike kulula kusimple ngiyabonga futhi ukuthi kwazi ukuthi ngiyahlanya kodwa ngiseyunivesithi namhlanje ayeke ngishaya umhlaba ngihlanya kahle lento yabona the journey that we have traveled from different homes to here is because of respect. If you didn't respect your parents, you didn't respect your work at school, beningeke nithume ma-result ka-matric a-qualify ukuthi ningene e-university. Respect. So don't miss the ball when you are about to make history of your life. Don't lose the ball when you are on an 18th area. When you are on an 18th area. I'm going to party. Ingoma is one of the formation of the discipline of the black people. The form of celebration, the form of praying, and the form of entertainment. Iyona elide kuzaleke ama-artists kamaskandi because Africa is known all over the world as a rhythm nation. We got rhythm, we got sound, we know who we are, we never forget where we come from. That's why even most of African Americans out there in the globe, you can have all the money on earth. Kodwa mawungazazi ukuthi uqhamuka ngaphi uzalwa ngaphi ufana netshe liqhamuka lesimile endabeni. Ngakho-ke ngithi mina history is more than just a path created by the past. It influences the present and it paves the future. I remember the first black president who prophesied by the Martin Luther King Jr. in the United States of America. Martin Luther King Jr., I have a dream that one day, and then that one day was brought on earth by Barack Hussein Obama. In a true sense, to prove that they are African Americans, he was a mostly traceable African American because wazalwa indoda yaseKenya ehamba embatha emhlophe ngobethe qwa phesheya kwelwandle yazala uObama. His history is traceable. Kodwa uthema isithola i-opportunity yokuthi akwazi ukuthi aphathe umhlaba awugona ngoba USA is the #1 country in the world in terms of army and in terms of economy. Because you know why? Discipline. You can't be in an army when you're not disciplined. There's no way. You need to sell your soul. You need to say, you always bow to your family when you go to the battlefield. Because the aim is not to come back. It's to die for your country. That's why you become the hero. Because one day, we were not here. We never existed. Don't be jealous about the next generation. All you must fight for is you to make your mark on earth and make sure that you contribute in society and make sure that you are not being remembered as a victim of losers. In Africa, yaziwa njenge cultural continent, cultural country. Inhlonipho iyo yonke into. Umntwana njengamanje nezingane ngokosikompilo abakithi abadala bazi babona ukuthi babebona ukuthi inhlonipho isithanda ukulahleka base bakhe izindlu ekuthiwa ngoku standards. Niyangizwa abantu ababo. Lezi zindlu zayibona ukuthi abantu sebeyahluleka ukukhothama ngoba yabona bakukhothama yabona une-culture ema-big cats amabhubesi ama-lion dos yabo guys kanye nenja futhi nawo leyo yabona ma ulwa nayo iphenduka ibheke phezulu itshengise this is the softest side. Nyangizwa ukuthi ibhubesi malona nelibhubesi liphenduka libheke phezulu lisuke lisarenda likhombisa ukuthi alikho empini ngiyazi ukuthi umhlulo ngambonana. Then if animals can apply discipline and respect of one another, what about you, human being? Because you are a superior nature above everything that exists on earth. So into enzakalayo-ke inhlonipho leyo nosikompilo ley'lwane to surrender and to show the soft side. Leyo nto leyo-ke umuntu uma ngabe uxolisa kuyena noma ukhothama kuyena ma kukhona inkulumo engezwakalanga kahle kuyena lowo muntu loyo umshaya kanjani umuntu exolisa? Ulwa kanjani umuntu exolisa ngoba ufuna ukuphuvela i-girlfriend yakho wena ukuthi awubhedele ngoba ufuna ukuphuvela abangani bakho wena ukuthi wena ngabona ngoma mina. That does not work. Respect other people in order for them to respect you. Nyangizwa ibalekile inhlonipho mfowethu bese uthi la ukuguqa standards wakhiwe ngendlela yokuthi umnyango wakhona ukuphoqa uma ungena phakathi ukuthi khothama amadlozo ihlonkuluke asethi abantu uyahlonipha bese kunika imbusiso kanti uyimbongolo nje. The way respect people or respect yourself, or respect your private part, awugqozi noma kanjani, awugqoki noma kanjani, or respect ulimi lwakho umuntu omdala ongazisi ngoba do you know ukuthi ngalesikhathi umuntu ekhula amandla ancipha and amandla anawo asemlonyeni. Nyangizwa. Yabona umzali wakho manje waphuma ngekhaya. Washaya umuntu wathi ngeke mntanami. Wathi ngoba ngozana. Ngeke ngempela futhi. Ngoba asenalo ijubane lokuhupha ngithi. Umzali wakho mayiza kahle kuwena ekwazi ukuthi umntwana umzali. Manje sekuthinta kabi ntombazana akuseyona umzali osokuphumusha inja. Ngoba usekuphumile kwiposition yokuba umzali ngithi. Umzali ufuna irespect ingane nengane ufuna irespect umzali. Engomeni ifo there is a need kuthiwa igoso angithi. Igoso makugidwa ingoma kumnandi. Umhlaba ongenawo ukhomanda wawo umhlaba lo ufile. That's why the most highly respected discipline format on the earth and a security cluster on the world, the army. Alikho nelilodwa izwe nayo i-army. Ngisho kanjani? Ngisho siwazile la amasosha abona abantu ama security awabhokisa. Kodwa akho ngiyakuthi ngoba abaluleke ngendlela esimanga kungamane kulalo kungaviwe kulelo zwe kunokuthi ngabe khona i-army ngithi. Kungamane kulalo kungaviwe kulelo lendeni okholwayo uma lingekho iBhayibheli angamane yeke impupha athenga iBhayibheli athi uNkulunkulu sofunda leli iBhayibheli sasa sothi masikholwa uwe uyilethe impuphu othi iBhayibheli khona. Amen. Mawuzulu ngithi awukumusho kufanele ngisho ukupheka kanjani awazi ukungabi namkhonto. Even in Shiflek and Senegal Africa the emblem of our government. Namaqembu asepolitiki ezimgodo esibanayo ukuthi sivotele yonke yenza sure ukuthi the spear is dead. The power of the spear nyangizwa umkhonto sangoba awuzitha nithi sangoba ngoba ngisesandwana nithi zakala mfwe. Othisha bangisendele nemali yokuthenga upetrol uthi ndiye egomeni kusasa. Ngikwazi nami ngabafowethu abafundisha abakhona phakathi kwethu ngicela ukunikeza isibusiso njengomongameli wamabhingu ukuthi manje eSouth Africa there is a national dialogue where are debating issues about our lives. We are not being invited because they know that we are a threat. You must choose wisely and you must reunite, correct your mistakes. The future is in your hands. Forget about those ancestors that are starving there in parliament. Make sure that you take over and be charged. Aha!